In the third question, it is given a soft drink is available in two packs. First, a tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 centimeters, width 4 centimeters, and having a height of 15 centimeters. Second, a plastic cylinder with circular base of diameter 7 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Then it is asking which container has a greater capacity and by how much. It means two types of can are there. One is tin can, another is plastic cylindrical can, and they are asking that which container has the greater capacity. It means we have to find the volume of both the cylinders and then compare them. So let's start work. So I'll show you the figure first. Here is the tin can with length 5 centimeters, breadth 4 centimeters and height 15 centimeters. Here is the plastic cylinder with diameter 7 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. So volume of tin can will be, as it will be cuboidal in shape, so length into breadth into height, which means 5 into 4 into 15. This comes out to be 300 cubic centimeters. Now volume of plastic cylinder will be, we know the formula for volume of a cylinder, it is pi r square h, but we do not have the radius. It means radius we have to find. So diameter is 7 centimeter, it will be 7 by 2 centimeters. Let's keep it in fraction for a while only. So it will be 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square into height is 10. When you will simplify this, you will get the answer is 385 cubic centimeters. As you can see, the volume of plastic cylinder is greater than the volume of tin can, and by how much? So 385 minus 300 is equal to 85 cubic centimeters. It means volume of plastic cylinder is greater than the volume of tin can by 85 cubic centimeters.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.